To download your Snapchat data like memories, chats, and account info safely, follow the simple steps. First, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application, log into your specific account, and then after, tap on your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to settings. Scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of My Data that is in the bottom of the screen between saved login info and logout. Tap on that. Now select the data that you want to download and toggle the switches. And then scroll down and tap on Next. Again, scroll down. Here you need to choose the date range and confirm the email address, and then tap on Submit. Snapchat will send you an email with the link when your data is ready. This may take a few hours or up to a few days. Then you can click on the link in the email, download the zip file, extract the contents of the zip file, and open the files to see your chats, memories, information, login history, and more. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.